Hey students, welcome to your first video with our new system of how we're learning now. I wanted to do this video first to kind of introduce you to how I will be giving you information and your assignments. And so what you see here on the screen is what I call the assignment wheel over here. Looks kind of like a record. I don't know what it would look like to you, but that's what I've been calling it, as an assignment wheel. This will be very similar to what we have on all the different body systems we're studying this month. I wanted to show it to you first, how it works, and also how Google Classroom is now organized, so that you should not have any questions, and if you do, you know how to contact me. But first, it'll have the directions. It says here all activities are found in Google Classroom, and I'll show you that in just a second. You're going to start with the number one and in the middle. This one is required. You need to watch the notes video. You'll be filling out a notes page just like you would do in class. It's the same one. You can either fill it out on the Google slide. The boxes you can click on inside the box and type in your answer, and you can then share that with me. Or if you have a printer and want to print it out and write it, that's fine too. Just write your answers and take a selfie. Your face needs to be in the picture with the page to demonstrate that you have done your own work. So that's how, and then you can send that picture to me on Remind. So that's how you're going to essentially turn in the notes pages. Then there's a demo video where you're going to fill in some diagrams. And I'm going to show you some models, the models that we would normally have used in class. All of this is stuff that we normally would be doing. Those diagrams you'll fill in and turn in the same way you did the notes videos, either through turning in the Google slide, or printing and taking a selfie with the picture. Once you do that first, then you can pick 2 of the remaining 4 activities. So it says choose 2 other sections from 2 through 5 to complete in any order. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. If you do more than the 2, then you'll get extra credit for that. But I've put icons on each section to kind of give you an idea of what those activities involve. The girl in the lab coat, that's a lab activity. So this is explaining it's an activity you can actually do at home with a partner, but please don't leave your house and get a partner. Find someone that's there. Please social distance yourself. This icon here is a web quest, so you'll get online and do like a virtual simulation of a test or some sort of activity where you have to look for stuff online. This picture of Mario and Luigi is some sort of game. And then this picture of a notebook is typically what we would do stations in class. I just turned it into a Google slide set of slides that you type your answers in like you would do the notes. Or it may direct you to fill something in a Google form. So this is what you'll see from now on with the different body systems. These numbers here are also numbered the same way in Google Classroom that I'll show you in a minute. This empty box is just something you can do if you want to keep track of what you've done. You can click in it and put an X or fill it with a color just to keep yourself on track. So I would recommend, do the notes videos and stuff on Monday, and then the rest of the week, pick 2 of these activities to do, or if you want to do more, if you want bonus points. Okay, so that's the assignment wheel. There will be a copy of this in the Google Classroom. So let me show you that now.